Use synthetic division to divide x cubed plus 5x squared minus 12x minus 2 by x minus 2. Give your answer in the form here. You may assume a non-zero denominator. So when we're setting up synthetic division, we need to remember this is in the form x minus c, and so in this case c would equal 2, and that is the number that we need to go up in the corner. So we've got 2 up in the corner. Now I will take the coefficient of each term all the way down. I do need to make sure that each power of x is represented, so I've got x cubed, x squared, x to the first power, and a constant term. So I'm good there. So I'll take out my coefficients. I've got 1 for x cubed, 5 for x squared, negative 12 for x, and negative 2 for the constant term. I start by bringing down the 1, and then here we go. 2 times 1 is 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus negative 12 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Now to write my final answer, I'm going to shift everything up 1 power, or I guess down 1 power, however you think of it. So this will now become 1x squared plus 7x plus 2, and then my remainder is 2 over my original x minus c, which in this case is x minus 2. Now, how can you check the answer? Well, you can check through your work, and you might even write it out one more time and just make sure you've written it right. But another thing that you can do is you can substitute 2, so the c value, into our equation and see if you get the same remainder, because you should get that same remainder of 2. Let's check. So I have x cubed, or 2 cubed, plus 5x squared, so 5 times 2 squared, minus 12 times 2 minus 2. So 2 cubed I get 8, plus I need to do order of operations, so 2 squared first would give me 4, so 5 times 4 minus 12 times 2 is 24 minus 2, so 8 plus 20 minus 24 minus 2. Now that I'm just adding and subtracting, I can work from left to right. So 8 plus 20 is 28, 28 minus 24 is 4, minus 2 is 2. So we got the same value, so that tells us that our remainder was the same. It's likely that we have done this correctly. That's one way to kind of check.